This is the story of the toughest trucks built in Nigeria. Trucks designed to meet the toughest terrains on the planet. This is the story of Stallion 4x4. The Stallion 4x4 is manufactured by the Stallion Group in their automobile assembly plant in Lagos, Nigeria. The 7.5-ton mammoth machine is fully assembled from scratch. And Stallion churns out more than 400 trucks per shift each month. It all starts with the arrival of parts in the factory. All parts are carefully checked and stored before sending it to the production line. There are about 5 stages which handle the build. The very first stage is the frame assembly. There are more than 900 parts that go into the frame assembly. The Stallion 4x4 has a 6-cylinder turbocharged H-series engine, delivering a superb 225 horsepower and 800 Nm of torque. Its state-of-the-art 6-speed synchromesh gearbox makes the Stallion 4x4 very economical on fuel consumption. Once the frame is assembled, it moves on to the second stage. Chassis assembly. It is here that the Stallion 4x4 starts getting into shape. The Stallion 4x4 uses special terrain-specific tires, which provide excellent grip and flotation, from sand grip to cross-country. Its fully trimmed, steel-pressed forward control cab makes it easier for 2-man seating and 1 sleeper berth, with a host of control and facilities inside it. Workers work with great precision, employing every precaution, and detailed inspections are carried out at this stage. Once completed, only the chassis weighs more than 5 tons. After chassis assembly comes the third stage, sub-assemblies. To build a troop carrier like this, everything must go according to plan. After sub-assemblies comes the fourth stage, load body mounting and peripherals. The Stallion 4x4's semi-kittable 5-ton load body is spacious with foldable seats. Once the fitment of the tarpaulin is done, these trucks undergo various inspections and quality checks before they are ready for dispatch. Once the supervisors have finished their final checking and inspection, this Titan is ready. With the turn of a key, 225 horses roar to life, and the truck is ready for dispatch. Another Stallion is born. The men and women working at Stallion can feel proud, knowing that they have a hand in building some of the most powerful trucks ever built in Nigeria. Stallion, proudly Nigeria.